This is the story of Fool, the incredible beans from California Garden. At California Garden, we have a special understanding of Fool. We developed our delicious recipes over many years of market presence to suit the taste of Fool eaters all over the world. Here's how we produce Fool at California Garden. At various plantations in different parts of the world, we choose the best climate and the most appropriate soil conditions for Fool growing. The beans are carefully examined in our laboratories to select the finest quality. After planting, we provide the most ideal growing conditions for California Garden beans. Using the latest technology and irrigation systems, we make sure that our beans get the right amount of water and fertilizer at the right time. Throughout the various stages of growth, the beans are constantly examined for growth evaluation, size, and even the thickness of the inner peel for optimum quality until the time is right for harvesting. And ready for shipment to the California Garden factories to meet an increasing market demand in the Middle East. California Garden has teamed up with the Kuwait Food Company and established its new factory in Jebel Ali in the United Arab Emirates. On 12,000 square meters, with a capital investment of over $12 million, the Gulf Food Industries California Garden factory was built to produce 48 million cans per year. Production can be doubled to meet market demands and future expansion. The first step of making California Garden Fool is the manufacturing of empty cans. Tin plate sheets are imported from the United States, Japan or Germany. Sheets are fed automatically through a slitting machine to be cut into individual cans. The cans are then formed and electrically welded at the seam using the highest machine technology available. The cans go through various machinery to add body strength. They are then closed from one side and stored or transferred to the canning line. Select beans are received at the California Garden factories for cooking and canning. The beans are run through automatic machinery to be cleaned and sorted using one of the most advanced machines, the first of its kind in the Middle East, to sort out the beans and to eliminate dust or unwanted particles. The beans are then soaked overnight to absorb the right amount of water. They are then washed and sent for initial cooking with hot water and steam. The beans then pass through a high-technology machine where hard beans and perhaps stones are removed. The beans go through their final eye inspection before going to the filling line. The cans are filled automatically with the exact amount of beans, and a special California Garden sauce and spices are added. The cans are closed tightly and put into baskets for the final cooking and sterilization process. The cans are cooked using steam, then cooled and palletized for final quality control inspection. Once our quality controllers are satisfied that finished products meet California Garden's high standards, the product is released and ready for labeling, casing and then shipping. The beans are now ready for sale to the local market or export to Fool lovers throughout the world, joining other fine California Garden products. In processing tomatoes only, the best variety is harvested. These tomatoes go through a high-technology process in order to produce ketchup and whole-peeled tomatoes. We give the same care to our other products. In producing fruits, we select best growing conditions so the tastiest fruit is produced. Once the fruits are entered into our plant, they are washed, sized, inspected, before going into the peeling or slicing operation, and then are ready for filling, labeling and shipping. Whether fool or beans, hot sauce or dressings, fruits or fruit juice or tomatoes, only the finest quality raw material is selected and processed at the highest standard possible at the many factories around the world. And only these quality products will carry the name California Garden.